Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Versing School morning shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. So my students, let's start the class. Our today's topic is fill in the blanks. It's part 2. This means that this is the last class on the topic fill in the blanks. Today our lecture number is 12 for the annual term examination, and you have a homework. Your homework number is 12 also. Now look at the board. In the board I have write down the topic already. This is your CW class. The topic is fill in the blanks. Okay, we need to fill all of the blanks. In the part 1 we have already learned how to fill the blanks. The numbers will be given and also the spelling will be given, but there is some letters will be needed in that spelling. Okay, we will need to fill up that blank with the letters. Now my students, let's start. Its first number is 6 and 1. It is 61 because 6 is in 10th place, 1 is in 1's place. This means that this is 61. Okay, and already this 61 is written down here. This is 60, this is ONE1, and we know the spelling of 60. What is the spelling of 60? The spelling of 60 is S-I-X-T-Y. 60. The spelling of 60 is S-I-X-T-Y. This means that we need to fill up this blank with the letter X. Okay, so X will be here to fulfill the word. It is S-I-X-T-Y. 60, then 1. Okay, like this one we have to fill up all the blanks. Okay, now go through. It's 9 is in 10th place and 5 is in 1's place, my dear students. So this number is 95. You know that already. It's 95. And here is the spelling of 95 is N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. Then 5. The spelling of 5 is F-I-V-E, 5. The spelling of 5 is F-I-V-E, 5. So this blank will be filled up with the letter V. So here will be the letter V. F-I-V-E, 5. The next one. This means this is so easy, right? It's the next one is 8 and 2. It is the number 82, and the spelling is given E-I-G-H-T-O-Y, 80, and 2. The spelling of 2 is T-W-O, 2. So this blank will be filled up with the letter what? With the letter O. It's T-W-O, 2. So you should write down O here. Okay. Now the next one is, this is a well-known number. This is 100. This 0 is in 1's place. This second 0 from the right side is in the 10th place, and this one is in the 100th place. This means that this is 100. Okay, the number is 100, and the spelling of 1 is given O-N-E-1, and the 100 we need to fill up the blank in the spelling of 100. What is the spelling of 100? We know that the spelling of 100 is H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. So what is the letter is missing here? Is the second letter, that means H-U. U is missing here. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. So here will be U, then it will be H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Okay, this means that this blank will be filled up with the letter U. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. I hope you have understood this, students. Now next one in the right side, it's 7 and 9. The number is 79. 7 is in 10th place, 9 is in 1's place, that's why it is 79. The spelling of 70 is S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70. 9 is given here. So here the blank will be filled up with the letter N, because the 70 spelling is S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. We will write down N here, okay, to fill the spelling. It is S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70, then N-I-N-9. The next one is 9 and 1. It is 9 is in 10th place and 1 is in 1's place. So this number is 91. Okay, and the spelling of 90 is given N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. But we need to write down only one spelling. The spelling of 1 is O-N-E-1. The so easiest spelling. The first number is 1. So O-N-E. Here will be E in this blank. Okay, the letter E will fill up this blank. The next number, last two number is remaining here, is 5 and 3. It is 53. Already, my dear students, it's 50 and it will be 3. 3 is given here already. Now we need to fill up the letter last one of 50. What is the spelling of 50? It's F-I-F FIFTY 50. We know that the spelling of 50 is FIFTY. This means this blank will be filled up with the letter Y. FIFTY 50. Okay, 53. The last one, today's last number is 6 and 4. It is 64. Okay, and the spelling of 60 is given SIXTY 60. And we need to fill up this blank, and this letter will be this word will be 4, because this is the 1's place 4, and we know that the spelling of 4 is FOUR 4. This means that this blank will be filled up with the letter O. Okay, so write down here O, and this is our task. Now my dear students, you have the homework, and this is the CW also as your HW. That means that, my dear students, this is your HW number 12. You must mention the HW number in the left top corner of your CW copy. That means you should write down HW number 12. Please mention the HW number also, and do this HW properly in your HW copy. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. See you again in the next class, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.